Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. When crossing the boundary, when is it heat and when is it work? So when you cross a boundary in a closed system, it is heat. All other forms is work. Alright, so before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video just in case this channel or video gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open the program. Once you have the program open, click on video, then click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, leave it in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.